Oh, nice. My microphone was muted. Okay, let me say everything again. Hello and welcome to my stream where I script development of 3D mission editor for Operation Flashpoint, Arma Cold War Assault. This is episode 25. And so last episode I added ability to change objects' height. And the issue with that was that a lot of stuff was done through the scripting, and it could be done through F-Watch instead, so it would be faster. So I did half of the work off stream, so I can read the object's height easier with F-Watch, but writing is still to be done, maybe tomorrow. Hello, chat. Hello, Mercer. Hello, G1. Okay, so another thing I did is that you can now download the mission editor and other scripts through the F-Watch mod downloader. So there's a new category on the website. Tools. Oh, Jesus Christ. There we go. Okay, tools. So you can download these. And the benefit of that is that I can place the demo missions. Oh, here. I don't have it downloaded here, but I can place the demo missions here inside the mod folders, so that's convenient. And another thing that we could do is we could have add-ons here. So I could have an add-on for the mission editor that would help with some stuff. Again, maybe I'll check it tomorrow. That's gonna be very helpful. Okay, so let's start the game. Okay. Let's see, OBS, come on, catch the game, please. What's going on? OBS is not seeing the game. Nice. Very nice. Come on, OBS. Still not seeing it? No, there we go. Yeah, the OBS thing has a delay, and it's not great for recording games, actually. Okay, so if you go to mods and download mods, you can see here there's in-game script editor, there's setmils in-game, and there's mission editor 3D. So you can download it from here, and you can update it from here as well. Okay. Now let's go to the mission editor. Where is it? Oh no. I forgot to load editor update. What are you going to do today? Oh, we'll see actually. Right now what I'm going to do is use F-Watch to read object's height. Okay, so let's see. That's our script for reading the SQM file. And I have a new argument, it's called read set pos. And then I need to declare the local variable. Specifically, there are two. It's called setPos and setPos ASL because I want to make a distinction between them. Yes, so what I'm doing right now is when I'm reading SQM, I'm getting the height of the object from the game, which is not great. I want to read it from the mission SQM instead, and not from the game, because the objects can fall. I'm sorry, but what is the time in your country? 3 AM in my country. Wow. Well, right now it's 6 in the afternoon. Okay, so I don't want to do that. What I want to do... yeah, how am I going to do this actually? Yeah, I didn't thought this through. Okay, so... So one of them, only one of them will exist. Okay. So let's say if both are 0, then we want to get the height of the object from the game. Let's see. Let's say if setPos is different than 0, then we want to read setPos. Otherwise, we want to read setPos ASL. Jesus Christ, this fucking flies, dude. I can't wait for winter. You're gonna use efforts to get the position instead of getting it with getPos. Yes. So in the mission SQM I have this, and I just want efforts to read this number and give it to me so that I don't have to parse it myself. So, and this number should be written into this variable. Well, let's find out how it works. If it works at all. Maybe I can do it like this. Oh, it's a lot of zeros. Perhaps I should change the condition a little bit. Yeah. What? Oh no, I'm streaming the game? What? Sorry. That's not... I forgot about it, sorry. So let's show it again. I have this command that determines the height of the object. It's in the mission SQM, it's in the init. So this object is at 31 meters. God, I hate motorcycles. Okay. We have this, and I want F-Watch to read this number and give it to me, and it should be stored in one of these two local variables. And then I take it from these local variables and I save it to this array, global array. Yeah, I think I should do this definitely differently, because I didn't thought this through. Well, it did read, so that's a good thing. So, F-Watch is working fine. Now let's just print the entire global array, so that I can determine that everything is correct. Okay, that seems to be fine. Okay. So let's check which object. It's called Group 0, Unit 3. What? No, that's... Oh, this guy should be at 31 meters, but he isn't. So, what's going on? Okay. Functions. .24 meters, but he is not placed at 24 meters, so what's going on? Wait, what is he called? Group 0, Unit 3, okay. 0, Unit 3. 27? Oh, because it's, yeah, this is ASL, I forgot. It's absolute, not relative. Yeah. Let's try again. Oh, he's still not placed in the air. Come on. What's going on? So why is there a hint? Blah? Oh yeah, oh, I remember. Let's remove the hint. I don't need it. Why is the guy placed not in the air? I remember it worked in the last tree. But now it doesn't work. Nice. That's a good beginning of the stream. Okay. Ah, jeez. SQM, I believe it was called. Okay, right now I just want to print the information on the screen so that I can see what's going on. Okay, so it's reading the ASL position correctly. Okay. Oh. Oh yeah, this should not happen probably. Probably. Yeah, I need to set up. I was setting the value twice, which is not great. Oh boy. So what I need to do is that I need to change the type of the default variable. And if it turns into number, then I know it should be modified. Slowly, friend, I'm following you, please. I mean... Well, if you're not familiar with scripting, you're gonna have trouble following indeed. Okay, so... yeah, I will need to put it into a separate variable called z, and the default value of z will be... height of the object in the game. And now I want to add the condition to check if one of these variables was set. So that will be wait, I forgot how this works. Try pausing and rewinding? Yeah. I don't think so. So if set pause isn't okay, if this is scalar, this checks for scalar, okay. So alright. That gives me correct thing. And here I'll just change it to Z. Okay, it should be read correctly now. There we go. It's working. That's cool. No, just group 0 3 38 15 38 15. Okay, very good. Okay, so that's that. I can move on now. Can remove this. So this can remove this. All right, what are we going to do? So you fixed what you were supposed to do last stream, kind of. Half of it, yeah, because I'm using efforts to read the height from the mission SQM like that, and now I want to use efforts to save it like that, because right now I'm doing it through scripting, and it's like 1, 2, 3, no, that's 1, 2, 3 different efforts commands. Well, that's 4 if you include this one. So like 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 different commands. And I want to do it with just one efforts command. Where? Oh, this is string find and replace. This is a separator for the arguments. If you go to the efforts page, you can see here that these arguments require this separator. Less efforts calls more faster. Yes, exactly. Yeah, so maybe I will do this tomorrow. We'll see. Okay. So what I want to do... Yeah, I know it's unusual, but I didn't have any better idea. Well, the problem with that is you're kind of locked to the Notepad++ because it's not going to be displayed in the standard Windows Notepad. So yeah, it's kinda inconvenient for the user, but convenient for me as a programmer. Okay, so what I wanted to do is add the ability to add different sides, because right now the side has to exist in the mission. So let's say we have this east guy. I'm going to remove him. Alt 255. I mean, what's that gonna do? That's a space. Unit separator is Alt 031. I mean, unit separator, yeah. That's not a normal space. Yeah, that's extra confusing. It's not a normal space, but it shows as a normal space. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna remove this resistance. And then the civilian. And the east guy too, okay. And OFP doesn't even appear. Okay. So now I have only the sides for which the objects exist. It's not great. I want to make it so that you can work with all the sides immediately. So I think I'm just gonna add all the sides from the beginning. Okay, so to show you how this looks, so we have this list of objects. Like we have side, and it's let's say west or east. Well, specifically these are a list of groups, not objects. And then we have objects, so that will be all the units for the west, all the units for the east, all the units for the civilian. So how I'm going to do this? Maybe I won't touch this structure. Maybe I'll do it differently. Yeah, I think it will have to be a bit different. Yeah, I'll need to decouple the dialogue from this. Because right now dialog is displaying exactly what is in these data arrays, and I need to just separate it so the dialog does its own thing. more or less. Okay, so this will make so that it's always showing the same sides. Wow, that's a typo. Nice. Have I made this typo anywhere else? No. Okay. Alright. That's a side selection. Now let's check if I'm using the sides anywhere else. This is not great. So I'm like iterating all the group sides. I can't do this. Wait, maybe? Can I do this? Yeah, I think I can. Okay, so that should be fine actually. Group side. Yeah, group side. Okay, let's just see how it looks in game right now. Oh, nice. I know where the side is. Okay. This is the error. Okay. It should clear the list of objects. At least. Yeah, it's doing the LB clear. Now I don't remember what the dialogues were. Let me check. Waypoint. List. Side list is 1. Group list is 2. Okay. I clear the group list and then I list the group based on the side. Okay. It's easy to forget an SQF because you don't need it in SQFs. No. Oh, it's easy to forget semicolon SQ because yeah, true. Gotta be careful. Well, if you're a C programmer, then you know. Well, but even C programmers forget about semicolons. that's just how it is with programming. Okay, so I want to check what's the group selection here. The group selection is 0, which is not great. Oh, why is it doing that actually? Oh. Should be -1. So maybe let's do it like this. If no, hold on. This is 1. What is 1? 1 is side list. So why is it 1 here? It should be 2. Jeez, I'm finding bugs from past. It's a blast from the past. That shouldn't be here. Like, that's weird. Yeah, it should be -1. Okay. Oh, perfect. Okay. Next, refreshing the unit list. Okay, so unit list is 3 and 4. 4 is the waypoint list, yes. So I clear the list here, and I don't want anything ever displayed. If there's nothing. Value, okay. What do I need side for? Oh, side is for saying, okay. Okay, I get it. No unit selection. Selection. What if I just do this? If LB size 2 is equal to 0, actually more than 0. So if there are no groups at all, then I don't want anything to happen. Let's see. Okay, it's clearing it. That's fine. Okay. That's that. Now, let's say I want to add the East Soldier. How do I add? With F2. So let's find East Soldier. It's working slow. Now it's working better. Okay. Then I press F2 and it added a new group. What? That's something wrong. Go ahead. Oh. Okay, that's kind of weird. I need to do something with selection. Because I can't just switch to this guy. Because I can't change here. Oh no! Let's load it and see if it works. Oh. Wrong mission. This one.
2 o'clock, soldier.
What?
I got it.
Did it save anything? Oh, it did. Okay. So I've got an East Soldier.
2 o'clock, soldier. 50.
Yeah, he's being killed immediately. Hi, good work. Thanks, Kevin. My script is still on your hard drive? Yeah, probably. I need to clean things up sometime, because like I've got lots of shit. Okay, so now I can add the new group. I'll just move this guy somewhere else, so he doesn't get killed immediately. Yay, I've got this guy. Let's add him a friend. The friend will be, I don't know, Spetsnaz. Yes. So I press F3. And now I can switch between these two. Maybe I want to add a third guy. Okay, so if there are at least 2 units in the group, then I can switch between these 2 dialogues. Oh, that's not great actually. What is no group? Oh, so when you create a soldier with the create cam command, so it's like a dummy soldier. If I restart the mission, if I like load it and preview, then it's going to be a normal, alive soldier. So when I'm creating the soldier on the fly, it's a dummy. Okay, so I'm thinking now. I kinda want to be able to... Maybe if I like click on this, then I remove the selection from here. But if I remove the selection, I will have to remove the elements and add them back again, and then the window will probably move. And that's gonna be disorienting. It's a can of worms. Maybe add more features to edit a specific soldier, like user interface, add specific guns and ammo, change unit stance, etc. For newbies, the ease of accessibility will be good. Yeah, that's not something I'm gonna do right now. Like, that's some high level shit. I need to do the basic stuff right now. It's really low priority. I'm not sure if it's even worth it. Like, just write a script, forehead. Okay, so that's not necessarily great that I can just switch. I thought it would be good for others. I mean, maybe, but like I said, it's low priority. I'm thinking, like, what to do with the interface right now, dude. Like, I think that is kind of more important. Who doesn't use scripts? Well, actually, nobody. Nobody uses them, I mean. No, I'm just joking. What to do with this interface? I don't know, actually. Maybe what should happen is that I have only one of these lists and you just switch between them. That was idea for the future? Okay, I got you, thanks for the suggestion. That's something to consider. But what do I do with this list? Like, switch between the lists? Like, I guess I could detect the mouse click. Yeah, actually that's not a bad idea. I could detect the mouse click. So, let's see, where do we have dialog coordinates? I'm saving the dialog coordinates to the file. It's called dialog sqf in the FHIDB folder. So let's see. Well, actually, no. Window left, window right, window 2. Okay, so I'm saving both windows. And I'm reading it here, okay. I'm reading a dialog SQL. What is dialog SQL? Wait, it's the same script. But I'm not saving it to anything? So why am I calling it here if I'm not saving it to anything? That's the same script, right? So goodbye. Cursor over UI. What switch list? So like you will have only one of this. It's either these and either this at one time, and you just switch between them with like a click or a keyboard key, hotkey or something like that. I think I can do it better though. Let's see. If mouse button is pressed, using this variable. Ooh, I'm using it here, okay. Okay, so I got it. If I click here, so if I click it on the background, then I want to select the soldier. Now, how do I select soldier exactly? I use refresh unit list. Refresh unit selection is called. Oh my god, I forgot to switch the fucking scenes again, sorry. Jesus. I hate OBS. Okay, so to update the unit selection, I call a function called refresh unit selection. And I think that's it actually. I don't need to do anything else. Selection type. I need to know if I'm selecting a soldier or a waypoint. Not great. OBS, more like OBS. Haha. Wait, are you making fun of Americans? Dude, this is a non-xenophobic stream. Okay, for a moment let's just focus on the soldiers. Oh my god, these buildings are so large. Okay, so if I press this, yeah, it's working. Okay, that's nice actually. Ah, wrong. Okay, this. Okay, now I have a way to switch if there's only one soldier, but it's gonna switch if I click here, which is not great. So I want to only to switch on this list. If it is, then why do you make fun of sculptures? I don't make. It's a serious subject. It's a grim subject. I don't make fun of skull shootings. I just passively enjoy the memes that Americans make. Sorry, I have a question. Will you upload the script to be downloaded? Yes, it's available. You can see the link in the description. By the way, your work has helped me Spanish speaking group. We greatly appreciate your help. Wait, oh shit, I forgot. How do you say thank you in Spanish? Oh no, I forgot. This could happen. Ah, gracias, yes. I need to train my Spanish more. My non-existent Spanish. So what do you do in your Spanish speaking group exactly? At least you will be our. Oh no, it's a bunch of Spanish. Sorry that I don't understand Spanish. I'll just have to use Google Translate. We greatly appreciate your work, thanks a lot. My group is called United Federation of Countries, created in 2011. Your guide videos have helped me to edit. Thank you! Enjoy! It's interesting. Okay, I'm gonna do something like this. List box X. So this will allow to save me the variables, the position of the list box. No, I save it, so this percent 9, percent 10, percent 11, percent 12. And name of the variable. Done. I should probably do this multi-line. Can I do this multi-line? I kinda don't want to try because the game will just exit. Ah, fuck it, let's try it. No, I can't do this multi-line. Shit. Thanks, Bohemia. You done goofed. Oh well, I guess it has to be on a single line. Okay, so I'm saving these. Saving the position of the list box to the file. Single line, multi-line, good for the eye. Not really, I mean... Long lines are just harder to read, and it's better to break them into multi-lines. But the flashpoint is not good with that. No, not this. This. There we go. Yeah, what I was doing? Yeah. So now I'm saving the position, and I need to read it here, actually. Yeah, I need to read it here, so... I'm duplicating these variables, which is not great, but that's something we can deal later. Implement RV2 to OFP, then you will be go. It will fix lots of limitations. JK is I mean, you can just play Arma 3. Nobody's stopping you from buying the Arma 3. Yeah, I got the UI. Yeah, this line is getting too long, so this is why I'm just gonna go to the SQF. It's called double click. Double click. Oh no. There we go. Now I've got this very long line. That's not a good thing what I'm doing. Definitely not good. Because I'm duplicating stuff. So this will be UI select 2. No, that's UI select 0. This one. UI select 2. Oh shit, I forgot how to script. Select 2, select 0. There we go. And then UI select 2, select 1. No, wait. Oh. I need to prepare it actually, shit. So like... Need to add everything up. List box. X. What is UI? UI is defined here because this script is calling this function. Okay. Okay, that should be it for preparation. And now select 3 and select 4. No, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Not a private advar. Yes, that's the point. It can't be private. Private is when I'm creating a variable in the function and I don't want it to be anywhere else. So it's not a private, yeah, it's not, it's like, it's a global local variable, if that makes sense. So I created in this script and then I call it in this function. So it's gonna be like call, and then I have UI select 0. So I can use it like this, right? But if I want to create a new variable called UI, and I can do something like this, private UI, and then I create a new one. Switching the scene so it's working faster. City Hall, let's move it somewhere else, and then I press here and it's switching. And I switch back, and then I switch here. Okay, let's see if I press east. Okay, it's fine. So only if I press here, it's gonna switch the focus or selection, however you want to call it. And then if I want to switch back to the object list, then I have to change selection here. Okay, that's pretty good. Now, what if I want to select the waypoint? But actually I'm not sure what to do with waypoints. I kinda don't like that they're like waypoints separately. Oops. Jesus, I hate this. What should I do with the waypoints? I've got the waypoints in the separate list, so I kinda don't like it. Maybe like use it in the same list here. I mean that I have two separate lists. One is for objects and the other list is for the waypoints. I kinda don't like it, because it creates a mess. So I could have one, like, it would look like this. You have group 0 objects, and then group 0 waypoints, and then group 1 objects, and then group 1 waypoints. Give the ability to move them around if you can, but I mean, it's already working, dude. Like, you can change the waypoint position. Or do you mean like change order of the waypoints? UI? No, not really. I mean, the only thing you could do is like have this item and then you can move it around, but then I can't read the position of the dialogue, so I don't, if you move it, like, I don't know where it's gonna be in the script. So there's no command to change the find the position of the dialogue if I like move it around, and I need the position so that, for example, if the cursor is in the middle of the screen, then I move the object, and if the cursor is here, then I don't move the objects, but instead, well, I do nothing in the script. I mean, I just change the unit selection. So, like, if you go to the very early streams, I dealt with this problem by saving the position of the dialogue with Fwatch to the file, and then reading this file, and then checking the position of the cursor on the screen. And if the cursor is here, then I don't move the object. And if the cursor is anywhere else, then I move the object. Okay, let's go to... I want to check the readme actually. What else is the essential things? Adding a new side, adding first waypoint. Editing waypoint and trigger effects. Yeah, I need to decide what to do with waypoints. Minimap for waypoint. The problem with minimap is that I can't change the position of the minimap. I mean, yeah. I mean, I can't change it, but I have to set pos the player. It's just a pain in the ass. Yeah, I was thinking of doing it, like opening a minimap, but it's just not something I can rely on exactly.
4 is down.
Just use drop effects, no. Yeah, but I mean, what do you mean? I think you're thinking something different than I'm thinking. Okay. Maybe I won't do the big thing for now. Maybe I'll just keep it how it is like right now and decide later. But I still need the ability to add the first waypoint, so I think I can just do the same thing that I did, which is if I like press F2, I'm adding a new soldier. So if I press F2 and the cursor is over the waypoint list, then I could add a waypoint, right? Use F3, but if I want F2, then I... Yeah. I want to check how I did this. Insert group. Okay. If selection is waypoint, then I'll just clone a waypoint, okay. Show me how it currently works. Well, you know, you can kind of check it yourself, by the way. Maybe if I like double click on the waypoint window and it creates a waypoint. Go to edit unit. Yes, I just need this. Okay, so let's save the waypoint list box. Okay. Waypoint list. Only Y and H is changed, so H. Oh, jeez. I don't see scripts again. What are you talking about? Dude. Go to my website. Releases, scripts, mission editor 3D. Was that so hard? Oh, the screen. Oh, fuck. Sorry. I mean, the stream. Yeah. Sorry for that. Okay, so now I'm saving the waypoint list box. It'll be 13, 14, 15, 16. There we go. This guy would be 3. And 3. We all the mistakes, man. True. And some more than the others. Okay, so that will give me ability to select the waypoint if there's only one on the list. But I still need the ability to create the first waypoint. So let's say if I double click on the window, then it will create the waypoint. Yeah. I just need to find it. It's called edit unit. Go to edit waypoint. Yeah, about that. I guess I will need to bypass this code. Actually. So... How do I know how many waypoints there are? Let's call it groups WP. Hello, I see there's nice weather in Fargus Place. Indeed, the sun is scorching. There's a command for that, yeah. Count. As opposed to my location. You mean it's raining? What? I thought it's sun all over. Sun everywhere. I mean, it feels like it's hot everywhere. Thunderstorms and lightning, very, very frightening. Well, very, very frightening if you don't save your work. Okay, so selection, selection. So I need group ID and waypoint ID. No, I just need group ID. Okay. So if count so group ID. So if there are 0 waypoints, then to add a new waypoint. First waypoint. When to return 000, then you reach max waypoint count. What? Yeah, I saved my waypoints on the array. Okay. So I just want to create a waypoint. What do I need to do to create a waypoint? Let's see. Groups, item 0, and then I need to add class waypoints. Okay. Get waypoint pass command, that's what I like. Oh, okay, thanks, but it's not gonna be useful for me. No link in chat? Yeah, no link. I guess the links are disabled by default. I don't know, I haven't looked into it. Okay, so I've got my template. I just need to use this, kind of. So hold on, I don't need this thing. I could just go to this. Set waypoint. Okay, so I don't need to... No, I still need to measure this. Yeah, I do. Personal question, how did you meet the Flashpoint Cold War crisis? So... my brother was studying in another city and he got the... he played there when he was studying, and he brought the CD over here, and I didn't have a PC at the time, and I went with CD to a friend, and he installed it, and we played it, and I was surprised at the time, because for me the normal game was Quake 3, and here you've got something that it's like realistic. Simulation, dude. You die with one bullet, almost. And you have these bushes, and you can hide in the bushes. That was like super cool. And you've got enemies going all around you, and then you're like, should I come out of the bushes yet? Or should I stay in there? Yeah, maybe I'll stay in there. Quake 3, that's like here in 1945, yeah. I think they had better games in 1945. Okay, so I've got the group ID, I'm checking this. So if number of waypoints is 0, maybe I'll save it to a variable, first waypoint. Okay. So if first waypoint, then else. Then I use this template. The first waypoint template, and I think that's it actually. No, that's not it actually. There's going to be a totally different path. So if I use the first waypoint, then nothing otherwise class waypoints. Okay. What is your favorite mode of Operation Flashpoint? Finnish Defense Forces, FDF, or FinMod? It has lots of stuff. Lots of stuff and new voice, new language, and blue theme, and new music. And lots of multiplayer missions. I've played quite a lot of multiplayer for the FDF. I read 7. True. Okay. I think that's it actually. I should be able to add a new waypoint. So just gonna reload the script. I think I should save it. Okay, so I select east and let's see. I click here, okay. I double click here and nothing shows up. That's not good. That's not what I want. Come on. What's going on? What? Oh. Why? Oh. There we go. Now it should work. There we go. Sorry. Okay. This is working. Then I double click on it and it doesn't work. Edit unit. Maybe I need to do this. Come on. False, false? I messed something up here. This box too, right up bottom. Okay, this is the same, and then window 2. Oh yeah. So this should be like this. Let's see now. There we go. Just the coordinates were incorrect. Now it's fine. Okay. So now in this group we don't have waypoints, and I double click and whoa. What is going on? Everything is fine. Like, why didn't find? Oh, yeah, sorry. Okay. Oh, created a waypoint in the fucking sea. Not optimal. C000, yes, exactly. Come on, dude, come on. Where's that code? How was it called? Insert waypoint. Pause. What is pause though? Camera, yeah. It should be camera target. What the hell? Irote is very good. Yeah, Irote is cool. Let's try again. Okay, I have first group without waypoints, and we press code find parent class. Why it couldn't find class mission? Like, what? Why? I don't get it. These are identical. Almost. Wait, can I clone a waypoint, actually? Yes, I can. But I can't add a new one. That's not great. Okay, I guess I need to display this. Mission groups item scalable array string. Yeah, that's great. Oh, probably because I need to wrap it in the parentheses. Hello, Rex called 2445. Let's try now. No, still nothing. Still scalable. But why? Group ID. Oh, group ID is undefined. Probably. But it should be. What the fuck? Yeah, I define group ID here. Just in case. There we go, but why is it in the sea? Oh no. Oof. Nice. I think I made a mess. Oh, I get it. The position is incorrect. Yeah, I need to define position, that's why. Yeah, I shouldn't do this. I should just be able to do this. So I just change the selection type to waypoint and I go to edit unit. F1 formula in the background? No, just a chopper. I mean, motorcycle. I don't know what kind. Yeah, I go to the insert unit and then gives me... goes to the insert waypoint. I don't need to do this, I just have this. And everything should be fine now. It's not. But why? Oh yeah, because no. I go to the edit unit. No, not edit unit, insert unit. Chopper. Okay. Yay! Okay, but why I keep adding them? It's not optimal. Oh yeah, I need to measure them after all. Oh jeez. Yeah. Okay. So I double click here and syntax error. Perfect. I don't need to do this. Group ID needs to be defined here. There we go. And I double click again and it's gonna give me edit waypoint. Okay, finally. I can add a new group and I can add a new waypoint. Oh, it's so slow. Okay, that's it for today actually. It's working. I don't think I left any chat that I do not want to leave. Oh yeah, I need to reload it. I didn't check the mission SQL. So... Oh, seems to be fine. Waypoint, okay. Missing a jacket integrated to his spine? I don't get it. I don't get the reference. Okay, I think that's it for now. Alright. So today we updated the script to use the new F-Watch features. New F-Watch feature to read the object's height from the mission SQM. And then we made it possible to add new side. So like if there are no east units in the mission, you can add east units now. And then we made it possible to select soldier if there's only one in the group, because that was a problem. Soldier or waypoint. And then we made it possible to add the first waypoint if there's none in the group. So that's it for today. Tomorrow we're going to... I'm not sure actually. I'm gonna do tomorrow. Maybe the other efforts thing with the height and the add-on. Some kind of helper add-on. Alright, so that's it for today. I'm going to update the script after the stream, so you can download it and see for yourself. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.